Welcome into 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase, level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at Chainlink. We're going to look at it on all-time spectrums. We're going to look at it with the Gaussian channel. Spectrums is your word of the day. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want more content and you want more help navigating this cycle, more access to our private alerts group, consider subscribing to Patreon. It's linked below. Let's get right to it. Gaussian channel has just turned green on the 4-hour short time frame, but we'll take what we can get at this point. Are we done with the chop? We've been chopping for days, if not eternity, for Chainlink. When the hell does it stop? Well, I'll tell you, our odds go way up as soon as we can close even a 4-hour candle above 21. 21 likely sends it significantly higher. Why? Well, with short consolidation, of course, long consolidation, of course, but macro scale, $20 seems to be Chainlink's kryptonite. Once it clears 20, it's blue skies ahead, right? 21, let's close above it. You have our high wick here. You have our high wicks here. We have our swing lows. Did you get any more? Right when we were down here, $17, you had a chance, right? Back all the way over here. You had a lower swing lows. We made a slightly higher high. And now we're back up. Gaussian channel green on the 4-hour. Once this breaks, we could have just like a bullish retest, a throwback. But, you know, we could just spring out and then rock it up. When's our next level to the upside? Well, let's zoom out a bit and let's go check it out. So daily chart. Now we're talking. Bollinger Bands constricting here. We're still above the Gaussian channel. Gaussian channel did not turn red as we made a video back here. Could we potentially turn red? What does it mean? We needed to get price going, and we did. So bullish, right? And now, right, even though it seems lackluster in price action compared to the market, right, we're just simply starting our breakout. Link moves a little bit slower, but I think once 21 falls, I think we're really going to pick up steam to the upside. As long as we remain above 1650, bullish, right? We could even come down a little bit more, right? No problem. Let's focus on 21, and then we have to zoom way the hell out because we have nothing over here, right? Let's go out to the weekly. Okay, so we have our short-term support level down here, EMA 14 on the weekly, 1650, right? Remember that to the low side. To the high side, it's just 21, and we're likely going to break our first initial spot, right? Look at all these spots over here. 27, right? That's pretty good area, right? Our previous kind of bear market high of 2022, $27. There's nothing between here and there, right? So even from current prices, we're looking at a very likely 30 to 40% move in a relatively short period of time, given the fact that Bitcoin doesn't kick the bucket, right? If Bitcoin remains okay, I just put out a Pi Cycle top video on Bitcoin. Go check that out if you want. After this, and you know, Gaussian channel green on the weekly, Gaussian channel green on pretty much every time chart for Chainlink. It's only a matter of time. It's on a low simmer. It could be behind, right? It's struggling to keep up, but maybe not for long, right? Once 21 falls, with even a 4-hour candle, a daily candle, we get a daily close above 21. The match is lighted. All right, that's what we're looking for. Our Chainlink target, not a dollar before 27. All right, or we should say a dime. All right, we'll go with that. How are indicators looking? Our MFI up, high, right? You want that. RSI still okay, right? High in strength. You want it above 50, right, to show strength, and we've definitely done that, right? Look at this. Flip that. Resistance, resistance. Flip it back to support. Good sign there. Strength, and we can go up higher. Okay, so don't lose faith just yet. I know it's difficult if you hold a large quantity of Link looking at all the other coins. Kaboom, but Link will have its time just like it has all previous other cycles, right? The time is coming. Patience should pay off for us. All right, so weekly charts. There you go. Quarter of the day. Let's get to it. Short and sweet for you. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Nothing is good or bad. Your thinking makes it so, right? All right. Car of the day. The zombie apocalypse car. No, that was from the last video, but the car of the day is actually a spiker. You're like, what the hell was that? Nobody knows. It was a hybrid of everything. He had a V12 swapped in that car. We'll go back and look at it in a minute. This is a spiker from 2007. Maybe you haven't seen this. Lots of money, right? Early, ahead of its time, almost 20 years old. Yellow interior for 2007. That's pretty nutty. Steel everywhere. Look at the roof scoop. I mean, just amazing. So now let's go back and that's the car of the day. Hopefully you like that. Let's zoom back out and just kidding. I can't do it. Go back and look at the zombie car. Look at this. He's got like forged wheels. Everything's custom on this. Crazy. Batshit crazy car. It was loud. It was like F1 car loud when he starts this thing up. You could hear it fill up the whole show. Look at all these cars. You could just randomly see like $1 million cars in the backgrounds of this show. It's pretty nuts. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at those two things. Whoa. When have you ever seen two Paganis next to each other? Pretty rare. All right. I'll see you on the next one. Spiker, car of the day. There you go. Up close and personal. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I said that already. Blue shirt, blue sign, blue room.